Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का। समझ में नहीं आता कि कहाँ से शुरू किया जाए। आदेश और मैं एक दूसरे को अपना भाई समझते थे, वो मेरे छोटे भाई, और न जाने कब हम लोगों का रिश्ता बना और एक दूसरे के साथ रात बेरात हम लोग उनके स्टूडियो में बैठ करके, कोई ख़ास वजह नहीं होती थी, बस साथ में बैठ करके कुछ संगीत बनाना, कुछ धुनें बनानी, और ऐसे ही करते करते बहुत सी चीज़ें बन गई। आज अवितेश को आगे बढ़ते हुए देख करके मुझे बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है, और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा थी इनके साथ। आज एक आशीर्वाद के रूप में इन्होंने मुझे बुलाया। हालांकि मुझे आशीर्वाद देने की हिम्मत नहीं है, क्योंकि इनका जो टैलेंट है वो कहीं ज़्यादा उत्तम है। मेरे बाबूजी ने एक कविता लिखी थी, बस मेरे बाबूजी ने एक पंक्तियाँ लिखी थी, वसीयतनामा जो होता है ना, जो विल होता है, जो लोग मरने के बाद लिख करके जाते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि उनको कुछ लोगों ने सलाह दी कि आप अपना, ये कविता का उसमें शीर्षक था कि आप अपना वसीयतनामा लिख दीजिए, आजकल कुछ पता नहीं होता बच्चे किस तरह से जाएं, क्या हो, तो आप अपना लिख करके दे दीजिए। तो उसमें एक पंक्ति जो थी वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई कि मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे। विजय जी, आप समझ रहे होंगे, मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे, जो मेरे उत्तराधिकारी होंगे वो मेरे बेटे होंगे।
क्या बात।
और इसका उदाहरण जो है ये अवितेश जी हैं, क्योंकि ये सही मानों में, क्योंकि ये आदेश के बेटे हैं, उत्तराधिकारी हैं, इसलिए ये उनके बेटे हैं। बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको अवितेश। और अब हम इनका किया हुआ
जस्ट मोमेंट सर, इनफैक्ट इसीलिए कहते हैं कि ज़िंदगी तस्वीर भी है और तकदीर भी। मन चाहे रंग मिल जाए तो तस्वीर बन जाते हैं, और बच्चन सर का साथ मिल जाए तो तकदीर बन जाती है। सर,
डू आई हैव टू press any button?
Yes, yes. In fact, Avi, if you would like to share something before we go ahead and do that.
First of all, आप सभी को मेरा हार्दिक प्रणाम. And I'd really like to thank everybody who's come here to support me. My godfather, Amit Uncle is here. इनका आशीर्वाद लिए बगैर मेरे से ये कार्य कभी नहीं हो पाता. It's a very emotional moment क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा तो nervous हूँ एक तो, and I really wish that my father was here today with us, and बस अब अंकल का आशीर्वाद है, आप सबका blessing है. My mom's here. I would really like to thank Ideal and SM Entertainments and everybody associated to my project to give me blessings, but especially Amit uncle. आपके बिना yes यहाँ तक मैं कभी नहीं पहुँच पाता आपके आशीर्वाद के बिना uncle. Thank you uncle. So uncle would play the song now and just आप लोग बताएं.
Dear Shri Amitabh Bachchan, on behalf of our team, it is indeed an honor to have you grace this special occasion with your presence and to give your blessings to Avitesh on the launching of this debut single. We are all inspired by your great words of wisdom, which have always been a positive influence to so many people around the world. Also for your continuous support for the importance of education for all, including women and girls, so that they will be prepared to handle the future challenges of our generation and have the knowledge to defeat ignorance and inequity. We do look forward to continuing beyond this event for your future collaboration and exchange of ideas so that we can defeat ignorance and accomplish the extraordinary. Once again, I would like to express my sincere thanks for to you all for honoring this occasion and providing encouragement and guidance to this rising star, Avitesh Srivastrava. Unfortunately, Avi's manager, a dear friend and colleague of mine, Mr. Michael Fredericks, who's also a producer of this single that is being debuted tonight, founder of SM Entertainment, he apologizes for not being able to make it due to unavoidable circumstances that came up. He would like to convey his best wishes to Avitesh and family as well, as all those who have dedicated their time and support to make this event a successful and memorable one. Mike, too, would like to take this wonderful opportunity to sincerely extend his appreciation and thanks to Shri Amitabh Bachchan, who has graced this auspicious occasion with his presence and blessings. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
May I request Ms. Rosina to present the letter? Absolutely, sir. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for the team from Ideal and SM Entertainment for joining in. Thank you, Mr. Rada, for joining in. Now the moment, sir.
I'd just like to thank the wonderful musicians and great musicians that have put their minds, hearts, and talent together to bring Avitesh to this stage. Without the cooperation of a wonderful team, nothing is possible in today's world, and I'm sure that your contribution will go a long way. What I said in Hindi, I'd like to repeat it again in English because some of you are Hindi challenged. So I said that मेरे बेटे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे. Just because you are my son, you will not become my inheritors. Those that will be my inheritors will be my son. And he is a true inheritor of his father's talent. Thank you very much.
And sir, now the moment, yes, you had multiple roles, but this time we're going to say lights, camera, action. That's when you're going to black out, and then we'll proceed with the video.
All right.
Absolutely, sir. We're waiting for your call. And then we can go off stage. Once you say action, हम off stage जाएंगे, blackout होगा और video play होगा.
पूरा बोलना है, lights, camera, action.
बिल्कुल सर, अपने अंदाज में.
Lights, camera, action.
Wow.
Adesh will be a very proud father looking at us from the heavens today. And his son has really lived up to his reputation. And I hope in the years to come, Avitesh, you will take his name even further. I'm pretty confident of that. I'm sure that all of you will appreciate the talent that Avitesh has just shown to all of us, not just in his singing. Incidentally, the one that he dedicated to his father with the portrait, that song has also been sung by Avitesh, just in case you were wondering what it was. And the words were also written by you. And this is a true love and affection that a son has shown to his father. It's a lovely moment, ladies and gentlemen. I really, as I said, I fall short of words because of the relationship that Adesh and me shared. And I hope that all of you will lend your support to this young man and make him even more popular than his very revered and loved father. Thank you.
Avi, finally the single is out. It's your moment of glory. You know, everybody, friends, family, the entire fraternity is here. Few words, something that you'd share.
I really like to thank everybody who's here. You know, आप सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मेरा काम देखा. बस आपका आशीर्वाद चाहता हूँ that I can make my mom proud, uncle proud, and my father proud. And सब अपने भाइयों को proud करूँ and take the country ahead and represent India in a global platform with Ideal and SM Entertainment, and take the music. The music has no boundaries, what I've learned. You know, we express through our talent and our melodies. That's how we communicate with the world, and that's how I've met Ideal, SM, and my friends who have flown down specially from New York, Penthouse Studios. Dr. Jesse, raise your hands up. All right, let's go. So I'm really feel happy to be having great people in my life and to take India on a global platform through music and also represent some good songs and good work in India. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Wow, can we have a huge cheer for Avi? Avi, that trademark thing that you do with your voice, that what do you do?
अरे यार अभी कल तो तुम हमारे सामने पैदा हुए थे इतनी जल्दी कैसे बढ़
Wonderful. And sir, we'd like to present something to you. In fact, आप इनकलाब में believe करते हैं, and there's a gentleman who believes in revolution. He's a philanthropist and the director at Ample Mission. तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka का. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause as he's here to present something. So coincidentally, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan पे you know एक बहुत interesting film बनी थी, and you had tweeted. In fact, you had given your voice for that film. So Mr. Murarka is here, and we're going to present 3 generations of the Bachchan family together in a painting. It's a very beautiful painting by Mr. Saini, जो उन्होंने create किया है. Right here, all 3 generations, sir. आपके पिताजी, साथ में आप, and Mr. Abhishek Bachchan also.
my friends, my husband's friends. Today is a very special day for me because it's my son Avitesh's launch is being done. And I have to thank a lot of people for this, especially Amit Dada, he's always been with us in our good times, bad times. And I have no words to thank him. ये हमारे परिवार के सबसे बड़े सदस्य ही मैं मानती हूँ और मेरे हस्बैंड आदेश जी भी यही मानते थे. ये हमारे सबसे बड़े दादा हैं हमारी फैमिली के. I have no words to thank him, but I would like to thank few people who have been associated in this album and helped Avitesh for making this album. Our SM Entertainment from America and Idol Entertainment from Canada. I would like to thank Mr. Says, Mr. Michael, and this, what's her name? Tracy. And above all, I would like to thank Mr. Bala Venkatesh of Vankies and his son Jagdish, who has been his friend since his childhood. And I'm very much grateful to them for helping Avitesh to make this album. And thank you everybody for being here with us. It's a special day. I wish Adesh was there because Adesh hamesha chahte the, he wanted to see Avitesh on screen. And I'm sure if he's not there, his blessings are always with Avitesh. And he always wanted Avitesh to become an actor like Dada. And मैं दादा को कहूँगी आशीर्वाद दे कि ये बड़ा हीरो बने, आर्टिस्ट.
क्यों हमारे पेट पे लात मार रहे हो यार? बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो, वही कर रहे हो.
Thank you so much for being here.
big day for you?
Yeah, it's a very big day, and I'm really excited, and I'm really happy that finally my song is out. All thanks to Ideal Entertainment, SM Entertainment, and Vankeys, and Gaana.com. Vankeys family hai meri, they've been there with me since day one now.
Right.
And bas abhi yahi pe ho, I'm just working hard. There's more music to come. The crossing over music era is going to start, where international artists and Indian artists are going to be the bridge. कि कला के माध्यम से हम countries को unite करें, global कर सकें music और market को. So that's
Would you like to tell us a little bit about the song?
the song.
How did you conceive it and
How did I
long
conceive
did
it?
take?
ये गाना मैं हुआ तेरा का शुरुआत दरअसल एक इंग्लिश गाने से हुई थी जो मैंने LA में रिकॉर्ड किया था, बैड बॉय करके. फिर उसके बाद जब मैं वापस आया तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठा रामू डिसूजा सर के साथ. उन्होंने ये गाना सुना, उन्होंने स्कोप समझा इस गाने में कि इसको इंग्लिश बनाया जाए, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मिक्स करके. फिर उसके बाद हमने जब इसको प्रोड्यूस करना और लिखना चालू किया, तो मैं जब इंग्लिश लिखने के बाद कुणाल वर्मा जी के साथ बैठा था, हमारे राइटर जो हैं, दैन हमने इसको इंग्लिश में तब्दील किया इस गाने को. आफ्टर दैट मैंने इसे 2 times ग्रैमी अवार्ड विनिंग मेरे म्यूजिकल मेंटोर जॉर्जो को भेजा. एंड व्हेन ही हर्ड इट, ही प्रोड्यूस्ड इट विद मार्कस वैन वैटम, Jeezy's producer, and everyone over there. So it was a really big honor and a big opportunity and a big blessing from my father that कि मैं एक इंडिपेंडेंट गाने को एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड से बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू कर पाऊँ.
Right. And obviously Mr. Bachchan was here, so it's, I guess, along with your family. I guess he's family, so how good did that feel?
वो हमारे परिवार के बहुत बड़े सदस्य हैं. He's been there with my father in his worst of times, and they've been like brothers, and he's like he is my godfather in this industry. उनके बिना, उनके आशीर्वाद के बिना ये सब संभव नहीं था मेरे लिए अकेला करना. काफ़ी लोगों का भरोसा था मुझ पर, विश्वास था, that they believed in my work and my talent, that I could give a good message through it and then spread awareness with love and my work. So really hoping that people could enjoy this song and appreciate it and let me know what it is.
Would you like to hum the song